welcome back to my channel. So guys, in the last video you saw that about the new winter update coming soon. Okay, so that was only a bit information. Now I'll show you more information about it, guys. I'll show you more information about it. Okay, so first thing, we'll go to game description right now and then we'll see. Okay, so let's come here. Okay, so coming soon, money truck robbery, seasons returns, DeLorean and more. The winter update 2020 will be here this upcoming weekend. So guys, you can see the date is right now 16th of December. Okay, and it will come this 20th of December. It will come on this Sunday. Okay, so money truck robbery, seasons returns and DeLorean and more, guys. I'll show you now what I'm talking about. So in last we saw about this trailer, right? We saw this trailer, we saw this, we saw that. Where is that? Up, we'll go up. We saw this, but now I'm going to show you something more. Okay, something more is DeLorean, guys. DeLorean. The next hashtag jailbreak vehicle is a DeLorean. Yeah, guys, you will find it at the power plant. We are still working out a price, but accept something under 200k. Somebody please check on GB DeLorean. No news tomorrow, but we will be back Monday with a major feature reveal. Guys, actually there is a guy called JB DeLorean. He's asking for DeLorean card to the jailbreak from so much time, guys, from a long back. Okay, so this is the pictures of DeLorean, guys. This is the picture of DeLorean. Wow, that's amazing, right? Okay, whoa, it has a door feature. That's amazing. Nice. Yeah, see, the power plant is here, so it's near the power plant. They're telling it's near the power plant, so let's go check it. Okay, let's take our, okay, let me just go. Oh my god, where is the space? Yeah, I'll just take one. I'll take out my Volt bike. Okay, let's go. Okay, so now I'm going to go to, guys, do you know where the Challenger is? Guys, the Challenger is in the power plant, like it's near the power plant, you know, right? It's in the parking lot of power plant. So the Challenger, I guess, will stay there, and DeLorean is also coming there, guys. Even DeLorean is coming. Or when the Challenger came, right, in the June update, I guess June or July update, when the Challenger came, they it was on this shooting range, you know, right there, the first shooting range, it was there. So I guess it will move there. Let's see. So this is the power plant. Okay, and here is the Challenger. So I guess the Challenger will move or and come there, and this will, okay, DeLorean will come here. So let's see, we'll wait and watch. Okay, next let's go and see. Okay, so it is with great excitement that we announce seasons are returning in our next update. Wow, seasons are returning, guys. Seasons are returning, guys. Actually, seasons went off. I don't know when did it go, but I don't remember when did it go, but it went like, okay, there were no seasons. Okay, so it's all new system, and we are starting with season 1, new beginnings, with all new free awards, rewards and season pass rewards. We will reveal all prices later today. So this is season 1, guys. New beginning, guys. New beginning. Okay, this is called new beginning. Season ends in 41 days, guys. 41 days. I guess it will be 45. Some they could did it. Okay, so 41 days, guys. Oh my god, that's a lot. Like that's like 45 days actually. It's 1 month and 15 days. That's a lot. Okay, and guys, this is going to be level 1. Then we are going to go here season 1. Then over. Then we'll come level 2. Then over season 2 1. It will be in every day. We will get a new not every day. Every level we'll get new item, guys. We'll get a new item, and there's going to be a season pass. Okay, there's going to be a season pass, guys. I guess for it's like x robux. That means it would be above 100 at least. Okay, let's see how much robux will it be. So this is coming this much. Okay, now let's go and check prices. So Asima tweeted that working on photos for season prices now. For now more info. Season pass offers awesome cosmetic items and a big XP boost. Okay, so big XP boost, guys. There will be one level system, not one for each team like before. Okay, so I've understood. See, right now it's showing above 58th level, right? But I am actually, I guess I'm not. Let's go and check the 10 level this base, right? That's one base over here, right? So if I can go inside it, that means I am above level 10. Let me go and see from here. Okay, so I cannot go above this, so I am not level 10, guys. I am not level 10. This level 58 is for criminal team, so you know that level 10 for police team will be different, and level 10 for prisoner team will be different. But now the in this update they are going to be same. They are going to be same, guys. They are going to be same. So level / XP buying is gone. Okay, so guys, right now we can buy levels, guys. You can see buy level 59 for 418,000 cash, you know, right? So at now you cannot buy in this update. We cannot buy levels. Okay, they are gone. We cannot buy levels. Okay, seasons last 45-ish days. Okay, so 45 days it will last for. Okay, let's talk season prices. So as I told you over here, right, at level 1 we'll get this much, and level 2 will get this much. So first we'll see, everybody starts at level 1. Yeah, we know that. Work your way up for these awesome prizes. Level 2, for 10 of a mystery new item we will announce Thursday. Okay, so right now it's Wednesday, guys, and actually I live in India and they live in US, so there it would be still Tuesday. Okay, there would be still Tuesday. Let's check over here time in Arizona. Okay, see, they live in Arizona. Yeah, see, I told you, right? Tuesday 15 December 11:44 p.m. So I live in India, so it's 12:14 over here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so Thursday means our Friday. Okay, our Friday is their Thursday. Level 3, snowstorm gun skin pass only. Okay, so as I told you, the pass. Okay, level 4, fire gun skin. Okay, and level 5, snowstorm vehicle skin pass only. So this is going to be level 2 price, which is they are going to be announcing this Friday. For us they are going to Friday, for them they are going to do in Thursday. 10 free what? Oh my god, I guess 10 free Robux. Oh my god, that would be cool if someone like gives Robux in level 2. 10 free Robux. Wow. So let's see. Season 1 level 3, season pass exclusive. I showed you, right, that season pass for Robux. Snowstorm gun skin. Okay, so they are going to be doing snowstorm gun skin, guys. So only for season pass. Okay, fire gun skin, guys. I'll show you what is gun skin. See, guys, I have one gun. Okay, I can paint it like it's normal, right? Wait, let me, how can I show you? Okay, wait, let me go in first person and show you. Yeah, see, I have this rainbow color gun skin. Now what I can do is B, like I'll press B and brushes will come. I do, if I want to buy candy cane I can buy, if I want to buy camo I can buy, if I want to buy diamond I can buy. Okay, that's like damn. So it's like that. So now if we are a level 4 in it, so we'll get one free gun skin. Okay, fire gun skin. So and the last is like for level 5, it is going to be season pass exclusive. Okay, season pass will get snowstorm vehicle skin. So snowstorm vehicle skin has like snowstorm gun skin, right? Snowstorm vehicle. So let's see guys, this is texture, and now we can I can buy any. See, I have bacon right now, I have money right now, I have galaxy right now, I have scotch right now, I have hot dog right now, but I bought it for money. You can open and save. You can open and save, or you can buy it for money. That's up to you. But when we come over here, but when we reach level 5, right, we get it free. Okay, so let's see. Now next we will go. So want even more? Level 6, Bull Rims by Rally Shubi. Okay, so there's a guy called Rally Shubi, and I guess he did something. Okay, he did something, and he made one, what can you say, rims. He made one rims. Okay, so we'll see that he made one rims, so we'll get it for free at level 6. Level 7, 24,000 jailbreak cash, guys. We are going to get jailbreak cash 24,000. So right now, see, I am on 4.3 million, 92,000. So if I would be level 7, I could get 24,000 cash, but I need to have that pass, guys. I need to have that pass. So let's see next. Level 8, free vehicle skin. Okay, we are going to fire vehicle skin. Fire vehicle skin, guys. We are going to get fire gun skin, right? So at level what was it? Yeah, at level 4 or something. No, level 4, I guess. Yeah. No, I don't remember. Okay, so that was like that. Now fire vehicle skin, guys, we are going to get this. And the last one is, what is the last one? Void rims pass exclusive. So we are going to get void rims at level 9, but it is going to be pass exclusive. Okay, so now it's written next to it, level 10 vehicle grand prize. Okay, 10 levels, right? So yeah, one more level and then grand prize, guys. Okay, so and finally the S season 1 grand prize, level 10, the Beam Hybrid supercar. Roll in style with the super exclusive two-tone supercar that has working butterfly doors and a high detail interior. Tomorrow we talk the new robbery. Okay, so season 1 award, we always, you also know, we have to buy we need to buy cars for cash, right? As I bought this Volt bike for 1 million cash, and I bought this Model 3 for 16,000 cash. Now let's go. Okay, this we are going to get it for free, guys, free. So now let's come over here. Oh wow, that's so cool. Oh my god, where are we going to get it? Let's see. It's it's BMW i8. I'll show you. See, I'll show you, right? BMW i8. This is this. And see guys, this is the one which is coming, white one, right? Okay, it's opening right now. Okay, so see guys, you can match it, guys. See, everything you can see, right? It's the BMW i8 in real life. It's damn cool. Oh my god, that's super. We are going to get it for free. So next, okay, who is ready for some robbery news? Okay, this is a lot to talk about. Get ready for information overload. 5 tweets incoming. Okay, coming soon to Roblox jailbreak, the bank truck robbery. You will find this large truck inside the bank. As police make arrest on the server, the truck fills up with cash. Oh, okay. So right now I am in private server. You know, I am in private server, in my friend's private server, not my private server, in my friend's private server. Okay, so I don't know that will we get this robbery or not, because they're saying that as police make arrest on the server, the truck fills up with cash. So if police do not arrest, then what will happen, guys? Okay, then we have to play in a public server. Let's see, we will wait and watch. Okay, so this is the truck. Okay, we'll go to bank right now. Let's go to bank. Okay, the glitch is now. Let's go to bank, guys. Let's go. Okay. So we'll go to bank. We are over here and one go here, over here and bank. So see, guys, this is the bank. Okay, we are over here. There is that, yeah, it's from inside look. So let's come over here. So we are over here. That's the correct one. See, guys, this is the ATM. This is the ATM, and there's a divider over here. Okay, this is one pole. Oh, not this. Let it just be. Yeah, this is one pole and done. And there's going to be a small divider over here. Okay, in this case, and there's going to be one truck robbery over here. Okay, one truck robbery over here. So there's going to be one truck over here. See, as you can see, guys. So okay, so now we will see once the truck is full of cash, two police hop into the truck. They will be given a random location on the map to drive the cash to. Once at their drop off, the police may hop in the back to deliver. Okay, all truck cash in split between them, but not so easy. Oh my god, that means we have to play in private. We have to play in public server, guys. We have to play in public server. Let's see. Okay, so next is, okay, criminals, your goal is to stop the truck. We have to stop the truck. Like right now I am police. Okay, but we have to stop the truck, right? Okay, so I guess we will stop it like, let's see, pop the tires, blockade roads, flip it over, anything it takes. One stop, you can blow open the back doors. Criminals may steal any cash they get to their hands. Okay, just watch out for the police in the truck. Oh, okay, guys. Okay. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Okay, so guys, right now let's see this pic. Okay, so it's like this snow map, and there's the Bat CC, guys. Bat CC. Oh my god, he's on back. And see, guys, police one dying over here, and this is the truck. I don't know what the timer is about. Let's see. 11101. Okay, so cash like that. Okay, let it be. Donut shop. Next we'll go over here up. Oh, did you notice that clock on the truck? That's a bomb timer. Oh my god, that's a bomb timer, guys. It's a bomb timer. So if the police fail to deliver in time and the criminal don't get it, the truck explodes with all the cash inside, gone forever. You will have to catch the next truck. Oh my god, we have to catch it before the truck explodes. Okay, finally some extra details. If the back doors blow open while driving, cash spills. Guys, so up to 3 police drivers. Okay, so cash is divided among everybody involved. We are thinking 10,000 plus cash per truck. Okay, tomorrow another new feature reveal. Okay, so this is Asimo here. See, cash is spilling. Okay, so we can collect it. So we are seeing some good facts. FAQs. The truck is driven by real police players. Oh my god, so that means we have to. Police keep any cash they deliver if they make it to the destination. Cash is split between each person operating the robbery. Robbery starts when the truck drives off. Okay. So guys, this was the new update coming to Jailbreak. Okay, if you like this video, then please guys like, share, comment and subscribe. Okay, please make sure to subscribe my other channel. Okay, you link it in the description below. Okay, so bye guys, have fun, enjoy, bye.